Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. And today we are going to celebrate Mother Mary's birthday and we are going to make this coconut cake. This recipe was given to me by my spiritual director, who is a priest and who lives in England, and his name is Father Gerard, and I dedicate this video for him. So without delay, let's get into the kitchen right away. Dear viewers, to make this special birthday cake or a coconut cake, you need some of the ingredients as here. You begin with measuring of the butter. Of 1 pound of butter, I split it into half, then I measured it, and I got it about 225 grams. So the equal amount of sugar, 225 grams, 225 grams of desiccated coconut, and also 225 grams of Sujee or wheat semolina. And I also have half a cup of all-purpose flour just to hold the cake, and I will be using some baking powder, 3 whole eggs and 1 yolk of this, and I'll be using some vanilla essence and some milk. If the batter is too thick, we'll dilute it by adding milk. So to begin with, I have to cream the butter, sugar and some vanilla essence. So I'll get back into the kitchen. To begin with, I'll add my butter, my sugar, and some vanilla essence. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And we will cream this until it becomes light and fluffy. And in between, we'll stop and we'll scrape it down. So to start off with, always start off with the slow mode as it's to mix about 2 minutes. So it should be mixing it. So now the butter and sugar is mixed, and we are going to increase the speed. And gradually we'll increase a little bit more. Dear viewers, the cake batter is already been light and fluffy. At this point, I'm just going to scrape down. At this point, I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. And the last one. These are the 3 full eggs, and I have 1 yolk. At this stage, I'm going to mix the Sujee or some wheat semolina with the half cup of all-purpose flour. So the batter is done, the egg and all. So now I'm going to mix gradually the semolina. Always remember, dear viewers, when you are mixing, always put it in the low speed. And we'll wait for a few minutes for it to mix it well. And then I'm going to add the coconut manually. I'll show you how to add the coconut manually. And by the way, I missed out one of the ingredient, which is baking powder, and I'm going to add it now. Two teaspoons. Dear viewers, now I'm going to add the coconut a little bit by little bit. I'm adding half of it, and I'm going to fold the coconut till it's mixed well. And I can already see the batter is getting thick, so we will be adding some milk to dilute it, to loosen the batter. If not, it's going to be like a bread. And I wish that all of you will try this cake for the 8th of September for Mother Mary's birthday, and offer it to her as your birthday gift with some roses accompanied. So I'm going to add some milk, and I'm going to fold. At this stage, please do not use the mixer. It has to be done manually so that it all gets mixed well. I tried using a mixer and it became a disaster. And we'll add the other half. And I'll add some milk as well. My cake batter is ready, and I'm going to add, and my pan also has been greased, so I'm going to add this into the pan. And we have to just move them around a little bit, jiggle a little bit, and just flatten it so it's evenly spread everywhere. And I have some balance, and I'm just going to use another spatula to just remove that. And also we have a little bit here, all goes into that. And my oven is preheated on 350 Fahrenheit. I'm going to use them for the first few minutes until the lights turns off. Then I'll reduce the amount to approximately about a 25 Fahrenheit to let the cake bake on 325 Fahrenheit. Hello viewers, the cake is done. I did not mention how many minutes. So approximately about 30 to 40 minutes on the heat level that I told you, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And you also check time to time. If it's browning on the top, you may always put aluminum foil for it to prevent from browning. And for me this is perfect, and I'm going to wait for it to cool, and I'm going to ice it. So we will see you in the part 2 of this video, and that will be the cake decorating. See you in my next video, and do not forget to share this video, subscribe, and also pass around the word. And see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.